Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Intercom for AI inbox automation. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an account, select the login option instead. Once on the sign up page, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Next, select your business type from the drop-down menu. After filling in the necessary information, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Now that your account is verified, log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. Follow the prompts to fill in your company's details such as name and size. Once completed, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually found on the bottom left of the screen. In the settings menu, find the Integrations tab. Click on the Integrations tab to explore available features. Search for the AI inbox automation feature within the integrations list. Enable the feature by toggling the switch to on. After activation, customize the. You may need to set up response templates and automation rules. Test the AI inbox automation feature to ensure it functions correctly. Once satisfied, you can start using Intercom for your inbox automation needs. Regularly check back in the integrations section for updates and new features. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.